So we're in the Cascade Waterfalls at the moment in Vila, and it was $25 per person entry. It's a bit of a challenge to get to here from the port, so you obviously need to engage a driver to take you. We paid $80 for 4 people to go to Cascade Waterfalls here, and also to head to an underwater mailbox and to the coffee farm, and then back to the ship again with some duty-free shopping in between. At the moment, the Cascade Waterfalls here, very beautiful, very pretty, and just give you a quick look at the start of them. But this is just the start of them basically. Quite pretty, quite beautiful. Beautiful. Could we get a photo as well? Yeah. I don't know how to use that much water.
Oh, the mosquitoes are just falling in.
Yeah, it might do it actually if you don't mind.
Yeah.
I wasn't concerned too much until you said Jamie, so then I sort of thought, oh, maybe.
So we're once again in the Cascade Waterfalls track, and we're noticing we're being followed by a few mosquitoes. So note to self, guys, if you are coming down here, definitely bring some mosquito repellent. We put on sunscreen with mosquito repellent. The sunscreen seems completely unnecessary because I don't think you're going to get sunburnt here, but mosquito repellent's probably a must. Because the spray comes out and it focuses on the spray.
On the spray.
Have you gone in?
We're on the way now.
So we're on the way back down. The Cascade Waterfalls at the top, absolutely magnificent. There's a little cave that you can go into on the side. About 4 people can fit on there at once. Yeah, it's pretty cool. You know, I would strongly suggest coming here. This kind of tops most of the waterfalls in Australia. Well, not most of them, but you know, it's more accessible. It's about a 15-minute walk up, and as you can see around me, it's quite pretty. You can go swimming. They're a great temperature. Yeah, I'd strongly suggest coming here. Just come down the side here, babe. Hello.
Hello.
Oh, I am.